Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your Wallops daily weather briefing for Monday, June 4th. We're going to be seeing some partly cloudy skies this afternoon after we were starting to see that low cloudiness from this morning burn off a bit as we got some drier air filtering into the region. Then we are going to be seeing a mostly clear night tonight and a rather pleasant day tomorrow before we see a little bit more rain tomorrow night. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see our highs yesterday happen in the morning before we saw that more easterly flow develop with those widespread rain showers. We saw a mixed bag of high temperatures yesterday with some areas to our north, including Baltimore and Dover, failing to even get really into the upper 60s. And then we saw widespread temperatures near 70 degrees and the low 70s, and the areas across the Tidewater were the warm spots, able to get down into the low 80s. We did see some cooler lows this morning than we have been seeing recently, with many locations dipping down into the mid to upper 50s. Here at Wallops, we got down to 58, and the Tidewater was just a little bit warmer, hovering around 60 degrees. We did see a widespread precipitation yesterday, with areas north of Wallops seeing the most rain. Areas near the nation's capital saw between inch and a half and inch and 3/4. Dover did see the most rain with 2 inches, and Salisbury did see an inch and a half of rain yesterday. Here at Wallops, we were just shy of an inch at around 3/4 of an inch, and then areas across the Tidewater did see much less rain, only around 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. This morning we're seeing temperatures fairly pleasant, around 60 degrees for most locations as of 9 a.m. under mostly cloudy to overcast skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing winds northwesterly from the surface all the way up to around 6,000 feet, between 15 and 30 knots at that level. And then as we get to the 9,000 foot level, we're seeing the flow become more zonal, around 25 knots, and then shifting a little bit more west-northwesterly from 9,000 up to 25,000 feet, still hovering between 25 and 30 knots. We were seeing a freezing level this morning at 14,200 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, we are seeing northwesterly winds across the Delmarva today. We are with some drier air filtering in. We were seeing some widespread low cloudiness this morning, which is not depicted well on this map, but that drier air filtering in with that high pressure off to the north is allowing those clouds to start to break up, and we are just going to be seeing some partly cloudy skies as we go into this afternoon as those low clouds continue to break up across the area. And then by the time we get into tonight, we're going to be seeing some mostly clear skies across the region. We will be seeing a fairly seasonable day today with temperatures in the upper 70s. So taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that low off there to the east of the Delmarva that brought rainy conditions this past week and continuing to move away from the region. We are going to be seeing some weak high pressure build in as we go into today and into tonight, and it will be building in north of the area for tomorrow. So with high pressure build north of the area tomorrow, we're going to be seeing some mostly sunny skies, mostly clear skies tonight, and then as that high pressure builds in tomorrow, we'll see a little bit more of an onshore flow develop, giving us a slight increase in cloudiness and some cooler temperatures for our Tuesday. Taking a look at our midday planner today, this depicts a weak cold front moving through. However, I believe this is a little bit overdone, as we're not going to be seeing any really effects from the front depicted on this map, as we're going to continue to see clouds decrease throughout the day today, and then we will be seeing some mostly clear skies as we go into tonight as some weak high pressure build into the area. Then you can see our next front moving into the region for tomorrow. We'll see those clouds start to increase as we go through the day tomorrow, with winds also briefly picking up for Tuesday afternoon as that front approaches with some stronger prefrontal winds. And as we go into tomorrow night, we're going to be seeing a chance of some scattered showers with that frontal passage, possibly even a thunderstorm or two, with thunderstorms more likely up in the central portions of the Delmarva near Salisbury. And then we'll be seeing those rain showers moving to the region after about 8 p.m. I'm not expecting a whole lot of rain, but we could be seeing a very brief downpour if we get under any showers or perhaps a thunderstorm here at Wallops. Then as we go into Wednesday, we'll see that high pressure start to build in behind there, giving us a cooler day with some mostly cloudy skies as we get a little bit of a northeasterly onshore flow develop across the region. And we're going to be seeing temperatures in the low 70s for our Wednesday under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing those clouds decrease as we go throughout the afternoon. Temperatures are going to be around 78 towards this afternoon, and then we're going to be seeing our northwesterly wind persist. We have been seeing these northwesterly winds around 8 to 13 knots with slightly higher gusts at times, and we do anticipate that to continue throughout the day today. Not expecting wind advisory, however. And as we go into tonight, we'll see those winds weaken a bit, becoming 3 to 8 knots after midnight, and then picking up back to around 5 to 10 knots early Tuesday morning. And then later in the day, Tuesday, we'll see those winds shift back to the south from the south-southwest. We're going to be seeing a low tomorrow of 59. And then taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing those clouds slowly decrease throughout the day, becoming scattered by this afternoon around 2,500 feet. Could still see a brief uptick in cloudiness, but there's only a slight chance of that happening in the afternoon hours. And by late this afternoon, early this evening, we'll just see a few lower level clouds in the 2,500 and 4,000 foot level and into the overnight hours as well. And then as we get towards the late evening hours into the, closer to midnight, we'll see those lower level clouds scour out as well, with some cirrus starting to creep in for Tuesday morning. And by 8 a.m. Tuesday, we're just going to be seeing a few thin cirrus near that 25,000 foot level. We are seeing some higher tides this morning at 1 foot above normal. For the next 2 days, we're going to be seeing a high of 81 tomorrow under partly cloudy skies, with those clouds increasing late as that front approaches. And we are going to be seeing those winds pick up just a little bit as we go towards the end of the day with those prefrontal winds. Then Tuesday night, we're going to be seeing that cold front cross the area with some scattered showers, mainly after 8 p.m. and a chance of a thunderstorm with a low of 60. Then Wednesday is going to be mostly cloudy and cooler as high pressure develops north of the area, giving us a little bit of an onshore flow. So expect some mostly cloudy skies with a cooler high of 74 for Wednesday. Taking a look at our next few days here, we're going to be seeing a pretty pleasant day tomorrow with a high of 81, and then a chance of some overnight showers and thunderstorms, mainly after 8 p.m. for Tuesday night into Wednesday. High pressure to the north of the area on Wednesday will give us a high of 74. And then we're going to have that high pressure slowly shift east of the area, and that'll be giving us a slow warm-up for Thursday into the Friday, with the temperatures back into the 80s by the end of the week under partly cloudy skies. So Thursday and Friday does look to be a rather beautiful day under partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies, with those temperatures hovering near 80 degrees. And then we're going to see those lows also start to creep up as well as our humidity begins to slowly increase through Thursday and Friday, with a low of 69 on Saturday as we get some more moisture into the area, keeping those morning lows up. By Saturday, we're going to be seeing that a Bermuda high really establish itself across the region as we get some more moisture moving to the area. It does look like we are going to be seeing a chance of some pop-up showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm Saturday as we get a warmer air mass moving in, and some pretty light winds giving us some sea breeze convergence possible for those pop-up showers and storms. And then Sunday, still looking at a warm day. We got some strong southwesterly winds developing. It's going to give us some good warm advection, bringing some moisture with those. Our precipitable water bow is really increasing ahead of a front coming in Sunday. And as that front crosses the area on Sunday, it is going to spark off a number of showers and thunderstorms. So Sunday in the afternoon is going to be rather stormy across the region. Could be still partly cloudy and mostly sunny in the morning, but we can't expect shower and thunderstorm development in the afternoon as that front crosses the region. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.